Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a French recipe which is called ratatouille. The ingredients and the cooking time differ wildly, and I want to share with you today my version of ratatouille. The basic ingredients are bell pepper, tomato, zucchini, spring onions, white onions and garlic. Furthermore, we need some high quality extra virgin olive oil, butter, salt and pepper. We start by cutting all the vegetables. Now we put the olive oil into the pan and we add the butter. If you want to make it vegan, just use a vegan butter substitute. I'll give the zucchini a head start of 5 minutes because they take the longest to get soft. And then I add the bell pepper, the onions and the garlic. I season with half a teaspoon of salt and fresh pepper, and then I let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. After that time, the bell pepper started slowly to get soft, and that is when I add the tomatoes. I let it briefly simmer for 5 more minutes and then I add the spring onions. After 2 more minutes, the ratatouille is finally done and ready to get served. I serve it with rice, and this is just a wonderful, delicious dish which is very light, easy to make and very healthy. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss the next one. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.